This review is of Lily's chocolate mint flavor baking chips. 32% cocoa, stevia sweetened, no sugar added. It's also parve and so in that respect, it is kosher and halal. Well, not kosher and halal, but it's safe for Jews and Muslims in the respect that it's parve. It's also gluten-free. See that right there. See? And here's the blurbs. And then the nutrition facts and the ingredients. Gotta hide from the camera, otherwise it focuses on me instead of on this subject. Oh dear. I hate that when that happens. When you try to open it and it doesn't tear right. There we go. Dang nabbit, there's milk in this. Twice. Milk and milk fat. It's a milk chocolate. Yay. Not. And quite honestly, it's pretty blah. There's neither enough chocolate nor is there enough mint. It's like if you take Andy's candies and you water it down to the point you're like, that's what this is. Really disappointed. I was going to use this in my pancakes, but I don't even want it. I don't even want to eat it anymore. That. Give it a 4. Thanks for watching and I hope you have a great day.